Your videos are awesome. Guide me through your process. How do you create those videos? How do you come up with ideas? How often do you do it? Because this is the hardest thing for average business owner. Not only to get on camera, but to create high quality videos that not only look good, but brings the business. And I feel like you have it. Like, what's your process? How did you start making videos? Who makes them for you? Who edits it? And who comes up with ideas?
So let's start. So I do videos twice a week.
Okay.
Mondays and Fridays. First half of the day is just videos. That's like, I already blocked that time off. So every Fridays and Mondays, video time.
Love it.
The office know it. So because I got the two channels, one Spanish, one English. So every video that I do Spanish, I do in English too. It's like double the work. You know how much work is to do a video.
Yeah.
So I do one scene and I got to go back and redo it in the other language. All the ideas, I came up with the ideas and I bounce it back. So I have a video production that helps me edit it and come up with ideas. And I was one of those things. I tried it myself. It's hard. Plus the time. You don't have the time to edit, and then it's too much to learn.
Yeah.
So I make sure I hire a professional that they know what they're doing. So it makes everything so much easier.
Okay. Which videos are more popular, Spanish or English?
So believe it or not, my Spanish channel, I have more followers. But within the past 3-4 weeks, I got the same views on my English channel with less followers. But they're watching the videos, but not following the channel, which is weird. But it takes time. Like you said, first 100 videos, which I did that in January. So now is like my video approach is a little bit different than what it was. Like now we sit down, analyze it, and we do like by the scenes and like different strategy than what it was before.
Would you say it's one of the most, like, the best investments you make, or you don't see a return yet?
Actually, last week I went to an appointment and I won a customer. She said, I follow your videos. I watch all your videos. I was really, she was, yes. And she started telling me, oh, you did this in this video, and I like this other video where you did this, blah, blah, blah. And she was going through all my videos. I said, you're really one of my best followers. She said, yes, I do. I love it. I sit there every Wednesday and Sunday waiting for that video. So eventually we start getting leads because people are watching it. And then some of my videos are really targeted specific. Like, for example, what do I do after I have a leak? So those are really small niche. It's not like entertainment that a lot of people are going to watch, and they're picking up. I think eventually I'm going to get a lot of business from them.
And your videos are high quality, like the very well edited, very well thought. I would say it's well spent.